Hey guys, I'm back again this time. Back to reviewing Coach. I ordered two things from the Coach outlet. Let's see, the first thing is a passport holder. So it's has the monogram C's on it here, and it's camo, which I don't know about you guys. I have small obsession with camo. So let's see, and I'm planning on getting my passport soon. Don't have any travel trips yet planned, but just getting a head start. There's something in here. Okay. Oh, this is. I can't. Doesn't smell like leather, but it feels really nice. I mean, it feels like calf leather. I don't know if it actually is calf leather. I don't know if that even tells you. It's made in Vietnam. What is it? It just says passport case camo. I didn't read on the online description of what it is, but it feels like calf skin. Calf skin. But either way, it's really good quality. And it's actually pretty pliable. Yeah, so I don't have a passport yet to put in there, but I'm just thinking ahead before this sells out because I really like this one, and it was on their website right now. I believe it was like 50, 60 bucks. So let's put that to the side, and then this is technically, so if you saw my other videos, I have been reviewing a lot of jewelry recently, and I'll probably continue. Maybe not just jewelry, maybe not just bags, more like lifestyle stuff, anything that I buy, because I shop a lot online. So maybe just anything that interests me that I'm currently obsessed with, I might start reviewing. So this is technically a, what do they call it? A tech bag or a tech. Is there? I mean, I should probably read it. A tech organizer. Signature black. So it's a tech organizer. But I am not going to use it as a tech organizer. Here you go. I will be using it as a jewelry box. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Okay. Let me get rid of some of this trash. Okay. So I'll be using it as a jewelry box. So you guys, here you go. So it's coated canvas everywhere, but the bottom is, and the sides are pretty durable. They're pretty hard. Leather piece here. The top is pretty hard too. Has your zipper, of course, here to open it up. And here's a look inside the bag. Ooh. Okay, it sells. Ooh, this is really nice. Really nice. Okay, so let's take some of this stuffing. You know what? It's been a while since I've gone something from Coach that comes. The last bag I got didn't come with stuff. I didn't realize that till after the unboxing. Usually all the stuff comes. I don't know if the other bag, what was it, the something 13? The orange bag that I reviewed. I don't know if that was maybe like somebody returned it, because usually all their stuff comes packaged like this. That one did not. Let's take some of this stuff away. So here it is. Is it just the, if you guys want to see that? Did this one come with that? I don't know. Wait, here it is. If you guys want to see that. I don't know if it's in focus. Of course, the security tag and then the care instruction. So the way I plan on using this, I'm actually not sure. But I'm going to use it as a jewelry case, like for traveling, maybe even for like the house. I'll put all my nice jewelry in here. Actually, let me go grab some of the stuff, see how I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to set it up, but let me just give you guys an idea. Let me go grab some stuff. Okay, so I brought here just some of my jewelry. Actually, you know what? I probably would just travel with this like this. That is perfect. Because I was thinking about how I'm going to just set all this stuff in here. I mean, I guess I could. Set stuff like that. I'm just wondering when traveling. Let me set this up. Let's see if I were to travel and I bought. Oh, well, I'm scared of everything getting scratched up. Yeah, see, some of this, everything ended up in different compartments. So I honestly think the best way to travel would probably be just with everything in here, compartment here. Then I could probably find like another jewelry for like another jewelry box like this, maybe like a longer one that'll fit in here. You know what? I believe Coach sells for pencil, like a pencil pouch. I wonder if that will fit here. Oh, and I can put this in there. That'll go there. And then I would just need like a small one for like pendants and rings in here. Oh, this is actually perfect. And then necklaces, I'm thinking about. So this here opens up. Let's take that off. Necklaces, I would put it here and hang down and then clasp it. So then when I would open it, the necklaces would pull up. And then cleaning stuff here, you know, just cleaning stuff there for like the jewelry and stuff. Actually, this is perfect. So there you go, guys. It's just a quick look of what I just unboxed. Let's take this off too. Okay, so that's leather also right there. It's actually really nice. Yeah, this is more of a definitely jewelry box than it is for tech. I know on the website they put the cords here and they put a charging brick here, but honestly this is more of a jewelry box than the actual jewelry box that they have. The actual jewelry box that they have does have places to put your rings, to insert them, but honestly putting here and then getting a smaller one of these here for your rings and pendants would actually work perfectly. So even these will work there. Yeah, so I'll play around with it. I'll try to see what works for me, but just wanted to show you guys just another pickup I got from Coach. So these two items here. And alrighty, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and keep up to date. I'll be posting more stuff soon. Later, guys.